Hey, meteorologist Pete Mangione here, and not such a great Thursday if you're not a fan of the rain. Much of the morning, even though we've had the showers, a lot of the heavier stuff has remained off to our south and east out towards New Bedford, Cape Cod, and the islands. However, we will be looking for the potential of some downpours and embedded thunderstorms to move through along with some of these showers into the afternoon and evening. So this is around 2 p.m. I would say the best chance to see some of these heavier downpours move through would be during the early to the middle part of the afternoon. By the late afternoon, likely tapering off to some light showers and drizzle, but still likely things could be a little bit damp for the drive home from work. And then by tonight, you could see the showers start to taper off, but I'm still anticipating some fog and drizzle to be around. Your forecast for this evening shows those temperatures dipping back down into the mid-50s. You could see a pretty good chance of some showers and drizzle continuing until at least 7 or 8 p.m., maybe even a bit beyond that. Although at this point, I do think that the heaviness of the precipitation in terms of the downpours and the really some of those heavy downpours that could be pushing through today, I think by this evening the chance of that occurring is much lower, and we're looking at much lighter precipitation. So this will set up a pretty nice Friday, albeit a breezy Friday, and most of the weekend is looking okay right now. We do have the chance of some showers for Father's Day on Sunday, but it doesn't look like a washout. We'll keep you posted. Have a great Thursday.